Solve the system by substitution or elimination. So it's kind of up to you which method you want to choose. Now there are easier and harder methods, so let's go through them. If you see something that is just a single x or just a simple y, there's no number in front of it, then that's a good substitution. This one, maybe you could argue that the y is a simple y, there's no number in front of it. However, there is a negative, so there's an implied -1. So maybe a substitution, while you could do it, isn't the easiest. So instead, I'm going to choose to do it by elimination. In order to do elimination, I need either my x's or my y's to be the same number in opposite signs. In order for that to happen, I'm going to multiply the top by, and let me show you how I think about this. I have a -1 on top, and I have a -3 on bottom. Now that's what I currently have. So I'm going to distribute something to make them equal and opposite. Now I can make the 1 into a 3 by multiplying it by a -3. And that will give me a +3, and that will get me a -3. And now these will cancel. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to multiply the top by a -3. And when you do that, you get -12x plus 3y equals -30. Okay. Underneath that, I'm simply going to rewrite my original 5x minus 3y equals 2. And the nice thing about using this is I can now put a space between those because I don't want to look at the top one anymore. Kind of done with it. So now my y's do indeed cancel, and I'm left with -7x equals to -28. And now I'm going to divide by -7 to get x by itself. I'm going to divide by -7 because if I did it to the left side, then I need to do it to the right side. And I get x equals 4. Now I'm not done yet. I need to take this x equals 4, plug it back into one of the originals and solve for y. I'm going to choose the bottom one. 5 times the 4 that I got minus 3y equals 2. 20 minus 3y equals 2 minus 20 minus 20. We get -3y equals -18. Divide by -3. Divide by -3. And you get y equals +6. Now my final answer, I'm going to put parentheses 4, 6, parentheses. No spaces. I remembered all my punctuation. That is a perfect answer.